Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ana Maria Sosa Castañeda, and today we are going to talk about Disney facts. Some fun facts of Disney movies. I hope that you like it and enjoy it. The first one is Frozen. Anna from Frozen is the first princess to sing a duet with a villain, Prince Hans. This happens when she still does not know his true intentions and falls into the mistake of agreeing to be his wife. The second one is Pinocchio. Pinocchio's true literary translation is a small wooden head, nothing to do with his nose. It was because its creator, Carlo Lonzerini, would have written the story as a symbol of rebellion and disagreement with the government of that time in Italy. Basically, it was a sign that he was not happy with the politicians, alleging that they were small within his for not governing well. The third is strange, I think. Tarzan and Frozen. Chris Buck, director of Frozen, confessed that Anna and Elsa from Frozen are sisters of our Jungle Boy. This is because when her parents traveled, the mother would be pregnant and gave birth to Tarzan before they died in a boat accident. The fourth, Lilo and Stitch. Lilo's voice in the movies is played by the same girl Daveigh Chase, who plays Samara in the horror film The Ring. Spooky, no? The first is The Princess and the Frog. More than 15 girls became ill with salmonella from kissing toads. Everything that causes the movie The Princess and the Frog. The sixth is Moana. In the original script for Moana, Maui, he was the main character and Moana was a minor character. It definitely wouldn't take the same sense. I guess the same, no? 7. The Lion King and Hercules. Scar is the lion that Hercules kills in one of the scenes in the movie and then carries it as a trophy. As you can see here, his scar. Interesting, no? 8. Toy Story. Sid, the villain of the first installment of Toy Story, appears again in the third part of the film, but this time as a garbage dump. Do you remember his shirt? Is it? Yeah. 9. Aladdin. The old erector in the Hunchback of Notre Dame is actually Jafar in Aladdin. 10. The Beauty and the Beast. According to its designer, Beasts is the combination of 7 different animals: mane of a lion, beard and head of a buffalo, brow of a gorilla, eyes of a human, tusks of a wild boar, body of a bear, and legs and tail of a wolf. 11. Walt Disney was awarded an honorary Oscar for the film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This consisted of a statue of original size and other 7 small ones. Was pretty. 12. Rapunzel and Flynn from Tangled made a cameo in Frozen. 13. Walt Disney was the original voice of Mickey Mouse. 14. In Monsters, Inc., Buzz' real name is Mary. 15. Gaston from Beauty and the Beast was the first male villain in a Disney princess movie? 16. Whether on a poster, a doll, a silhouette, a shadow, such as a fruit, a bubble, or any object, the image of Mickey Mouse appears in all Disney films, without exception. 17. Snow White, at 14 years old, is the youngest of the Disney princesses. Merida is the only princess with brothers. 19. In the movie The Jungle Book, the books are connected with the Beatles. Do you remember them? It was very good. In Tarzan, the teacup set from Beauty and the Beast, as you can see here, are the same, no? Make a bright appearance in Tarzan. It was very good, I think. It was very, very, very interesting and beautiful. Okay, it's all of this video. I hope that you like it and enjoy it. So, see you the next week with another video. Bye bye!